Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a gift wrap option to your Shopify store. Gift wrapping is a great way to improve the customer experience and increase order value, especially during holidays or special occasions. Let's set it up now in your Shopify dashboard. First, we will click on Apps on the left side of the dashboard. From there, go to All Recommended Apps and click on Shopify App Store. Once we are there, search for gift wrap apps and choose the one that works best for you. This one has the highest rating and is free, so we just need to click on it and install RA gift wrap messages, then click Install. Once that is done, just click Install again to confirm. As you can see, the app is now added and we just wait for it to finish installing. Keep in mind that only premium users can access the Order Options feature, as we can see here in the app under the Order section. We need to have a plan in place before we can use these order options or order customizations. Once we have a plan, just click Wrap and the gift wrap options will appear. Then click that option and create a gift wrap. That is how we add a gift wrap option to our Shopify store. Simple features like this can make the store more appealing and convenient for customers.